Hey guys, 𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐿𝐴 here, and I'm here with a PowerLead system proof video showing you proof that the PowerLead system works, telling you what it is, telling you what the PowerLead system is, and showing you how everyday people are using the PowerLead system and leveraging it to get the income that they want, to help them do the things they want, rather it be walk away from their jobs, build extra income, get out of debt, whatever that is. This is a sustainable system, a simple system that you could use to do that. Okay, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what the PowerLead system is. I'm going to give you a sneak peek into our group and show you how we're doing it and some proof, and show you the results that I got last night while I was asleep overnight. All right, and this is how you do it. Okay, now what I do want to say is the PowerLead system is a fantastic system. It is an all-in-one marketing system which allows you to create custom capture pages, custom sales pages. It's an autoresponder, all those things that you need to follow up with people so that you can close more sales. So it also helps you in your primary business. If you do not have a primary business, then the PowerLead system is a business in a box. It's a commission structure in a box. Okay. What the PowerLead system allows you to do is make commissions going all the way from $6 micro commissions all the way up to $400 commissions. So within that same structure, you could have $500 days. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. So what you want to do, if you want to walk away from your job, you have to get in your mind, what dollar amount do you need to make to really be able to either walk away from your job, to get out of debt, whatever your goal is. You need to have a dollar amount in your mind and position yourself to get the maximum commissions so that you could reach that goal. So for me, one of the things that I eventually want to do is work for myself full time. Okay. Now, in order to do that, I'm not going to, I need to be able to position myself to have $100 to $400 days. That's what I need to do. But what the PowerLead system allows you to do is come in where you can, and then you can upgrade. Okay, so the first level that we have is the Lead Lightning. Okay, you pay a one-time $7. You never have to pay that $7 again, and you are eligible to get $6 commissions over and over and over again. Awesome. Okay, and then you could make a decision to come into the PowerLead system, which at the gold level is $20 commissions. Okay, so you could upgrade from Lead Lightning to the PowerLead system, and it's $20 gold commissions that you get over and over and over again. All right, the next level that we have up is Diamond. At the Diamond level, you get $100 commissions over and over and over again. Okay, and then Platinum commissions, which are $400 fast start bonuses that you're eligible to get when you position yourself at the Platinum level. Okay, so again, you have to ask yourself, do you want $100 days or do you want $500 days? I position myself that I'm going for $500 days. Okay, you have to decide what level will change your economy the fastest for whatever your goal is, whether it be, like I said, to work for yourself, to get out of debt, to travel more, whatever it is. All right. So again, the PowerLead system is really micro commissions and mid-ticket and large ticket all-in-one commission structure. You don't need multiple business. I see a lot of people online, they are promoting like 18 businesses, and I've been there, right? I actually just made a video where I cut a lot of my other business streams because honestly, if you just focus and promote one commission structure that works, okay, and that has the power to give you, some of these smaller ticket items don't even give you the option to make $400 in one shot, and this does. Okay, and that's why I love that. Okay, and people are doing it, and anyways, it also allows you to promote any business. Okay, so I use it to promote my primary business, which is EPS. And I make commissions on promoting my business and sharing the same marketing system with other people, or other people who want to come into this business model. Okay. And what I also love about the Power Lead system is that I can get residual commissions, meaning every month I can get paid on autopilot. Okay. So here's how it works. What do you have to do? Get in wherever you can position yourself. Get in. Okay. Upgrade your earning potential when you can. Okay. If you can get all in, go to the platinum level, do that, because now you're eligible. You're positioning yourself to make $400 commissions. If you can't, I say come in at the diamond level, because then you're positioning yourself to get $100 commissions. Okay. The next thing is, all you have to do is get to our proof group and get your people to our proof group and get your traffic and duplicate. These are the 3 steps. Get people to our proof group. The training's built in there. You don't have to be like, oh, well, how do I train my people? Like in a lot of, people who've been online before, who've been in network marketing companies, right? A lot of times you have to put together your own training, because either the company training either sucks, it's not comprehensive, or it's not packaged together in a way where somebody could come in and be like, oh, okay, step A, do this, step B, do this. Our team has simplified everything and put all the training in one group, in one place. And so all you have to do is get to the proof group, get people to the proof group, and we show you how to do that, and get traffic, and we show you how to do that with free and paid methods. Now, if you don't know what traffic is, it's getting people to your lead capture page so they can, 1, look at the presentation, and they can opt in, and the system, this is why the Power Lead system is so powerful, does the, we have a high converting funnel, which does the process of converting them from leads to sales. Okay, let me take a moment and show you. I'm gonna pause this for 1 second. I'm gonna show you our capture page and why it's high converting. Okay, this is our team capture page. Ooh, sorry, I got heartburn. All right, when someone opts in, they just put in their email address and they click get instant access. I'm gonna skip that because as the owner of the page, I can do that. And I'm gonna show you what a person sees when they opt in. So hold on a second. All right, so as soon as they opt in, they're going to see this awesome presentation where it's going to talk to them about our system, and it's going to give them the presentation. It's going to talk to them about passive commissions, which I didn't even mention. So on top of positioning yourself to earn, one thing that you need to know is this system allows you, like, once you plug your team into the proof group and they start duplicating, you'll start getting commissions from your team duplicating the success that you're having. If they do what you follow the leader and do what you do, you get passive commissions from them, and they will get passive commissions from their people by teaching their people. So this system really makes you help your team, because if you want to earn big, you got to help your team. Okay. All right. So whoa, I don't know what it just did. Hold on. My screen is acting funny. So so that's it. My screen just froze. So I'm gonna close this. And so those are the simple steps. Now let me show you our team, and then I'll show you our my results that came in last night. All right. So actually I posted it in a group. So these are my results from yesterday. And I posted, this is our group, Freedom Takers. And I posted, I woke up to money in my sleep, thanks to our co-op. You know, I teach all day and lesson plan at night. I don't have time. This keeps it simple and profitable. And that's so true. Like, we have a co-op where if you don't have time to, you know, market, or, you know, you really just want to keep things simple, we have a team co-op where you could just plug into the traffic that our team has already done for you, and just start driving traffic to your capture page and get results. So if you look at this, last night at 6 overnight, these came in while I was asleep, right? Because I don't like wake up until like 6:30 and then I get ready for work. I had 72 leads and 2 gold sales come in while I was asleep. Some people can't get 72 leads in a month. I got 72 in a day. and I got 2 golds while asleep. Okay. So our team is like super supportive. Here's somebody is actually a new member. She's new and she just posted about upgrading. Okay, so when she upgraded, her sponsor's getting that commission, but that also shows something else. When people upgrade, it shows something. It shows that their leader is leading the way, and that's what you should do as a leader. And I'm going to show you what I give to my people. Okay. We have other new members. These are new members. Another thing is this system is newbie proof. Okay, so new member just said, I just got a gold member. Amazing. Okay. You know, another person said they got their first gold today. I mean, and so many results. Our team is very active. You know, here someone said, I don't even know what this says, but basically there's some results. It's kind of wordy to me, but there's some results there. And that's it. And then as you can see, we have lots of training in the group, how to get more diamonds and golds, you know, co-op membership. We have more people coming in with optas and gold members. Okay, so this is it. You know, I could keep going, but I'm not going to because I don't want to do that. We have more people coming in with $100 sales. $100, $20. Okay, so that's that. Why is she posting a picture as a welcome? I'm confused. Okay. Anyways. All right. So that's that. Now let me go into my inbox and show you. All right, this is my inbox. Let me move me over here. So last night, let's see, today I got 12 leads so far. I got 100 leads last night or yesterday at 1:08 p.m. And then this is co-op traffic. These are free traffic. I got 2 gold members. Okay. Here. Okay. And then I got like lots of traffic here. Got a gold member. I got, where am I? More leads, free leads here where it says correction to you have a new lead. That was a free lead from the free lead system. 7, 100. I had $6. I mean, a PLS customer is another $20 commission. A gold $20 commission. I mean, and it just goes on and on and on. My inbox is like gold. And the way it works is over time, these golds will upgrade to diamonds as long as you are, you know, plugging in and doing those little steps that I showed you. Okay, so that's it. You know, get in, upgrade your earning potential where you want to earn, get all in if you can, and get to the proof group. Okay, the last 3 steps are the steps you have to do once you position yourself where you want to. You get to the proof group, the training is built in there, you get your traffic, and we show you in the group how to do that free and paid, and you duplicate. You teach your people to do the same. Get to the proof group and get traffic. Boom. 1, 2, 3. That's it. We don't, with our system, complicate how to make money online. We keep the commission structure simple. We keep the training simple. That's it. You get people to this group and you win. And that's it. So if you want a sneak peek into this group, you want to come in, you want to see how we do it, you want to ask questions of me and say, well, what do you do? All right. I will answer those questions for you. I'll plug you into this group. Now, what I give, let me show you what I give to my people in addition to this. All right. So this is on top of, when you partner with me, it doesn't matter. Whenever you partner with me, I'm going to plug you into my group. It's called Success with 𝐒𝐭𝐻𝐭. And you have to be one of my partners or prospects to get plugged into this group. And this was something I had posted yesterday, but this is my group. Let me go in here. And I'll just let you be a fly on the wall and show you. This is my group. And what I do in this group is, you know, I welcome people, make sure they feel supported. And I just, you know, post what I know. I give training. I give support. I show them where they could get extra support outside of our group. I just give lots of value. Okay. I show people how to do things offline as well, because some people want to learn how to market offline. I give them scripts, all types of things. So I basically just give value in my free group where I show people, you know, what they need to do. And that's it. That's what I give to people who partner with me. Okay. So, and then someone asked the question and he said, please provide share code. And I did that. So like, I think right above that, I don't know where I posted it. Oh, it's in the file section. So now we have a very robust file section that I've created and lots of resources there for people who partner with me so that they get what they need. You know, I have resources here, traffic toolbox that I created where they can get lots of cheapo and free lead sources. I have tear flyers, messenger scripts if they wanted to inbox people and actively prospect, follow up Friday messages, which I'm going to use today. All these things that they could learn really how to have a profitable business online. All right. So that's it. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. I did not mean to make this video long, but it is. So I apologize, but not really. That's it. I hope this was of value to you. And here's to your success online. Bye, guys.